President Nelson Chamisa, mtukambiri wemain opposition, anoyachisha award vanhu avaya akaona kuti aiwa ane chimuko, anosha award just like Hakainde Hichilema. Sana pina mashoko avaitaura pano paendo pake kuti bo subscribe bo like kuti na on the bell icon. Chipita paendo pake anyora chiti seek wisdom. Wisdom is the principal thing. The beginning of wisdom is to get wisdom. Seeking education and knowledge without wisdom is of limited value. Education without wisdom is foolishness, and wisdom is not found in classroom but in prayer rooms. Wisdom enlightens, enlarges, sharpens, and informs all astuteness and erudition. Wisdom promotes, provides, and brings that highest esteem and irresistible honor. Wisdom is a command to duty for every man. Wisdom guides in the paths of rectitude and transforms one into a model of rectitude. Life is so precious that it ought to be spiced with the condiment of wisdom, love, politeness, and happiness. Mashoko atosidwa na Nelson Chamisa aiwa mzara naso but blessed Sabbath #God is in it. Proverbs 4:7. 1 Corinthians 1:30. Mashoko antogona Nelson Chamisa tiburudze mafunguro enyu mati kulipa message amasirwa awa na president main opposition bina comment section medu kuti mafunguro enyu so no subscribe kulike chimtina on the bell icon.